Every location that's been examined to explain the origin of life fails miserably. Not just slightly, miserably. Origin of life studies are no closer than they were 35 years ago. We've done nothing in terms of progress except made the problem more difficult, because now we know that there are several chicken and egg problems when it comes to origin of life. Really, all life at the biological level, all life is built out of building blocks, Legos, that are called proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life. The problem is proteins are generated in little factories called ribosomes. And what do you think these ribosomes are made with? Proteins. That's the problem. You've got a chicken and egg problem. Which came first? And to be honest with you, it gets worse the deeper you look. It's not just in ribosome factories. It's in every aspect of the cell, including the cell membrane. You can't get this complex behavior to occur unless it's protected in some way. But the protection for this complex system is made up of the very things that are in the complex system. That's the problem. You got to have everything in place all at once in order to make this work. And that's why it's so hard to locate a place where all of this could happen without any intelligent intervention. And it gets worse, because it turns out there is one thing that defeats the chicken and egg problem. There's one way to defeat it. You know how it's defeated? It's defeated with something we call DNA. This molecule, the largest molecule known in all of science, right? Built from all the different nucleotides that build up DNA. These 4 nucleotides are used to build DNA. This is the instruction manual that tells proteins how to form. It tells ribosome machines how to manufacture proteins. It constructs and directs all traffic in biological systems. The problem, of course, is, what is this? This is a series of nucleotides that are in a certain order, like information, like letters, that are directing traffic. Here's the problem, and Stephen C. Meyer does the best job of saying this. Now, Stephen's a believer, but he's also got his Oxford PhD in the philosophy of science. And what he says in a book that is the biggest takeaway about this first book he wrote, Signature in the Cell, is simply this: there's not a single example in the entire history of science or the universe in which information ever comes from anything other than intelligence. So if this is information in the genome, what is the intelligent source that has put it there?